like my videos and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload. Hey guys, what's up? Manish here, back with another video, and today I'll be showing you how to control your Android phone from your computer. Now before we start, you need to download these two files from the link given in the description below. The first one is the software that allows you to control the phone, and you only need to download this zip file. The other file contains the ADB tools required to run the software. I already downloaded both the files. Now extract them anyway on your computer. Now before we start the process, you need to enable the USB debugging on your phone. To do so, open up the settings and go to developer options and turn on USB debugging. Now open up the SCR-CPY folder and press and hold the shift key and right click anywhere in the folder and click on open command window or PowerShell window here. Now connect your phone to the PC via USB cable. Now in command window, type ADB devices and press enter. Now allow the USB debugging pop-up on the phone. Now type ADB devices again and you will see your phone is connected now. Now open up the SCR-CPY folder and run the scrcpy.exe file and wait for it to open. Now as you can see, the phone is connected and we can see the exact same screen of the phone on our PC. Now as you can see, there is a lot of lag, and it's because I'm also screen recording at the moment, but you will not get any lags. You can use your mouse and keyboard to move around and type on your phone. One more thing, as my phone does not have on-screen navigation keys, so I have to use the phone's navigation keys to go back and to go to home. If your phone have on-screen keys, then you can simply click on them from your PC. Now you can almost use any app of your phone on the PC, like camera and other social media apps. You can also use the YouTube app to stream anything on the PC. This app also tracks the orientation of your phone, so you don't need to worry about how to go to full screen. There's only one problem in this software, and that is it doesn't stream the phone's audio. but you can connect speaker or headphone to your phone to listen to the audio. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you have any question or query, just leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them as soon as I can.